Welcome to Techmirror, the 5 best NGK Spark Plugs in 2026. 5 perfect for boosting your engine's performance and reliability. Whether you are a car enthusiast or just looking for a dependable replacement, this list has something for everyone. Stay tuned to discover which spark plugs top the charts this year. Links in the description. Number 5. The NGK LKR7 DIX 11S Iridium IX. Spark plug is a high-performance solution designed for drivers who demand optimal engine efficiency and reliability. This 4-pack of spark plugs features a 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip, which ensures exceptional durability and a consistently stable spark. This design allows for extreme ignitability, resulting in improved throttle response and smoother overall engine performance. The tapered ground electrode minimizes electrical quenching effects, further enhancing combustion efficiency. The spark plug also incorporates a longer insulator with corrugated ribs, preventing flashover and ensuring consistent operation even under demanding conditions. Additionally, the triple gasket seal eliminates combustion gas leakage, contributing to reliable engine performance and fuel efficiency. The iridium alloy used in these spark plugs has an extremely high melting point, providing superior resistance to heat and electrical wear, making it an excellent choice for modern high-performance engines. Moreover, the trivalent metal plating offers outstanding anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, ensuring longevity and ease of installation. With a resistor value of 5K ohm and a hex size of 5/8 inch, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of cars and trucks, making them versatile and dependable. User experiences highlight the tangible benefits of these spark plugs, with many noting smoother engine operation and improved driving performance. For anyone seeking durability, consistent spark quality, and enhanced engine responsiveness, the NGK LKR7 DIX 11S Iridium IX spark plug stands out as a premium choice that delivers reliable performance for both everyday and high-performance driving needs. Number 4. The NGK LKR7 BIX 11S Iridium IX spark plug is a premium choice for car and truck owners seeking high performance and long-lasting reliability. Designed specifically for performance enthusiasts, this 4-pack of spark plugs delivers extreme ignitability, improved throttle response, and superior resistance to fouling. The 0.6mm laser-welded fine iridium tip provides exceptional durability, while ensuring a consistently stable spark, making it ideal for modern high-performance engines. The tapered ground electrode further minimizes electrical quenching effects, contributing to more efficient combustion and smoother engine operation. This spark plug features a longer insulator nose that prevents fouling and corrugated ribs that protect against flashover, ensuring reliable performance even under demanding conditions. The triple gasket seal effectively eliminates combustion gas leakage, maintaining consistent power output and improving fuel efficiency. The iridium alloy core has an extremely high melting point, providing outstanding resistance to heat and electrical wear, which enhances longevity and performance over time. Additionally, the trivalent metal plating provides superior anti-corrosion and anti-seizing properties, making installation easier and ensuring these spark plugs remain dependable throughout their lifespan. With a thread size of M14 to M1.25 and a robust metal top, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. User feedback highlights the tangible benefits of the NGK LKR7 BIX 11S, with many reporting smoother engine operation, restored power, and excellent fitment. For drivers who value performance, durability, and reliable ignition, this Iridium IX spark plug is an outstanding choice that delivers remarkable results in both everyday driving and high-performance applications. Number 3. The NGK No. 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs. TR5GP is a high-quality set of spark plugs designed to deliver reliable performance and durability for cars and trucks. This 8-piece set features platinum as the core and top material, which ensures long-lasting operation and consistent ignition. These spark plugs are engineered to function over a significantly wider heat range than ordinary plugs, allowing them to perform efficiently in various driving conditions while reducing the risk of engine overheating or misfiring. One of the key advantages of the G-Power Platinum spark plugs is their resistance to carbon buildup and pre-ignition. This ensures smoother engine operation, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced overall performance. The patented triple gasket sealing process effectively eliminates the possibility of combustion gas leakage, maintaining optimal engine compression and consistent power delivery. This design also contributes to the longevity of the spark plugs, making them a cost-effective choice for drivers who value durability and reliability. With a thread size of 14 by 1.25 mm, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. User feedback highlights their exceptional performance, with many drivers reporting smoother engine operation, elimination of spark knock, and a noticeable improvement in acceleration and responsiveness. The NGK No. 3186 G-Power Platinum Spark Plugs. TR5GP combine advanced engineering, reliable materials, and thoughtful design to deliver superior ignition performance, making them an excellent choice for maintaining or upgrading the ignition system of cars and trucks. Number 2. The NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs. LFR6AIX11, sold in a 6-pack, are high-performance spark plugs designed for cars and trucks that require reliable ignition and long-lasting durability. These spark plugs feature iridium as both the core and top material, providing exceptional strength, heat resistance, and consistent spark delivery. The iridium construction allows the plugs to operate efficiently over a much wider heat range than ordinary spark plugs, ensuring optimal performance in various driving conditions and reducing the risk of engine misfires or knock. These spark plugs are engineered to resist carbon buildup and pre-ignition, which contributes to smoother engine operation, improved fuel efficiency, and enhanced overall performance. The patented triple gasket sealing process eliminates the possibility of combustion gas leakage, maintaining proper compression and consistent power output. This design also helps extend the lifespan of the spark plugs, making them a reliable and cost-effective choice for drivers seeking long-term engine performance. With a thread diameter of 14 mm and a thread pitch of 1.25 mm, these spark plugs are compatible with a wide range of vehicles. Customers consistently report satisfaction with the NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs, praising their quality, affordability, and dependable performance. These plugs deliver smooth engine operation, reliable ignition, and enhanced efficiency, making them an excellent choice for maintaining or upgrading a vehicle's ignition system. For drivers seeking durability, performance, and value, the NGK 6619 Iridium Spark Plugs, LFR6AIX11, are a highly recommended option. Number 1. The NGK 4469 LFR5AIX11 Iridium IX Spark Plug, available in an 8-pack, is a high-quality ignition solution designed for cars and trucks that demand reliable performance and long-lasting durability. These spark plugs feature iridium as both the core and top material, ensuring exceptional strength, heat resistance, and a consistently stable spark. This design enhances engine efficiency, smooth throttle response, and supports optimal combustion, making it an ideal choice for both everyday driving and high-performance applications. These spark plugs are genuine NGK parts and come in original packaging with all necessary hardware, providing assurance of authenticity and quality. They are designed as direct replacement parts, making installation straightforward and ensuring a perfect fit for compatible vehicles. Users are encouraged to confirm vehicle compatibility through Amazon Confirmed Fit to ensure proper performance. Iridium IX technology allows these plugs to deliver superior ignitability, resulting in smoother acceleration and improved engine responsiveness. Their robust construction also contributes to long-term durability, resisting wear from high temperatures and electrical stress. Customer reviews highlight the ease of installation and immediate improvement in engine performance, with many noting that their vehicles ran smoothly and efficiently after replacement. For drivers seeking dependable ignition performance, enhanced fuel efficiency, and long-lasting reliability, the NGK 4469 LFR5AIX11 Iridium IX Spark Plug 8-pack is a premium option. It combines quality engineering, durable materials, and proven design to provide consistent, high-performance results for a wide range of vehicles. Thank you for watching our countdown of the 5 best NGK spark plugs in 2026. We hope this guide helps you choose the perfect spark plugs to boost your engine's performance and reliability. Do not forget to check the links in the description for more details and the latest prices. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more automotive reviews and updates.